Hey guys, in this video we will see the use of wrap text in Excel. A wrap text is used to fit a very long text in one cell in Excel. Let's see the example. For an example, I write over here, let's use wrap text in Excel. Now we find that this text has exceeded the limit or the width of the cell B2. In order to fit it in the cell B2, we will use the wrap text option. Now we simply has to select the cell B2 again. Then we will go in the home tab. From here we will go in the wrap text option and we'll click it, and we find that the cell B2 has readjusted itself to fit the whole of the text. Now suppose that we want to write a lot of text in the column E, and we want that each time the column E readjust itself according to the length of the text. Now in order to do so, what we will do, we will select the column E, then we will go in the home tab. From here we will choose the option wrap text. Now each time we are going to write a text over here, we find that the column E will readjust itself. Let's see it for an example. So let's this be the example 1. Now we see that as soon as we are going to press enter, the text has, or the cell has readjusted itself according to the width of the text. Let's write another text over here. So one other text is written, and as soon as we are going to press enter, we find that the cell E7 has readjusted itself. So that's how wrap text works for one single cell as well as the whole column or the whole row. The similar method applies for the whole row. If we are going to select the whole of this row 3 and then go in and choose the wrap text, then each time we are going to write a text over here, we find that the cell has readjusted. Now we will see another method, that how we can adjust the cell manually in Excel. Suppose we write over here, this is the text to be adjusted manually. Now the method to do so is that, now we will place our cursor to the point from where we want the text to be moved in the second row in the same cell. So let's put it just before T, and then we will press Alt plus enter. I repeat, we will press Alt plus enter, and the text from D will be moved in the second row in the same cell. Similarly, if we want to move the text after 2 in the next row, so what we will do, we will press the cursor after 2 and then we will press Alt plus enter, and the text after 2 will be moved in the third row in the same cell. Now if we are going to press enter from here, or will move to the other cell, then we find that the text has readjusted itself. Now one of the difference between to wrap the text manually and to do it by using the wrap text button is that if we are going to adjust the width of this cell where we have manually done it, we find that the text after which we have pressed Alt plus enter will not move. But if we are going to adjust the width of E, we find that the text will move till it has adjusted itself in one particular row. So that's how wrap text works in Excel. That was all from this video. I hope so that you like it. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.